STILLFIN, Matt here, and we're going to be hiking and wood scavenging today. You consider it wood scavenging, kind of in some urban area. I want to show you how far into the woods we really are. Yeah, not too far. Hopefully we find some woods along this trail. I'm on the Ironton Trail again. And so far I'm not having any luck finding any trees, man. But I don't know, I'm gonna keep hiking down the trail and hopefully we find some grimy woods somewhere where we can keep looking for stuff, or at least try to find stuff. No chit chat. If you want to talk, leave a comment down below and let's get to it. Well, unfortunately we're gonna have to find somewhere else to go wood scavenging because we're at the end of the trail. That's a hell of a goal for me, man. I never made it that far on this trail wood scavenging, man. That's badass. Well, anyway, let's go find a different spot. This ain't gonna work. Whoa, damn, it's all muddy out right now from the rain the other thing last night. It's a cool little spot. Looks like an old bottle. Might actually keep this. This is really cool. Very, very old house. No roof. What? This is sick. I think that's the fireplace. Yeah. Bottom of the fireplace. Unbelievable, and this is right off the road, man. A lot of stuff in here. Pipe, some junk. A lot of junk. Man, people really know how to throw their trash away, man. This is unbelievable. Hey, one golf ball. Man, that thing's seen better days. Mountain track, bent rim. There's no point in refurbishing it. Toyota. I could use this. Solid. It ain't broken. It's made of metal. That's a good find. I could use that. That's mine. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. I see some light. I gotta get through this. Okay, so I got through that crap. I ripped through that. I'm gonna head that way for a little bit. Yeah, the big black tunnel, man. Just for a little bit. If I don't see light and it just keeps going, I guess I'll just forfeit then, whatever. But hey, yo, we'll see. I might have to speed the film up if I happen to see the other end or something like that, because I don't want you guys to see a black tunnel, man, you know. So here we go. Oh shit. I don't need the sewers, man. I see light down there. I don't know if you guys can. It's black. Yeah, it leads up. Okay. Oh, look, spider cricket. Get out of here. These damn spider crickets, dude. They are some ugly looking bugs, man. Another one. Spider cricket. Get out of here. Get out of here. Falling on me this time. Oh my God. Oh. Hey. Guess we can get out. I really tried. That's the end down there. Let's keep going. I went under the highway. That was nuts. Went under that highway. Right there. That's nuts. Whew. That's crazy, man. Oh, looks like a game for a kid. Jump. Hey. Ah, it's wrecked. Beat baseball. Nothing. No. It's always creepy finding a doll. Real beat. All right, so these are my treasures for today. I got, of course, one golf ball. One, it looks like an old ketchup bottle. I don't know how old it is, but I guess I could do some research on it. There's a number. Just wondering if it's old. If you know it's old, leave a comment. And the most valuable find today would be the garden shovel. Ain't much of a treasure, but you know, man, it's not about the treasure, it's about the journey, man. Honestly, the items are cool and all, but I'd say the coolest thing that I did today and showed you was probably that, like, that really old house, man. Like that house had to be like 150 years old, man. Like Dude, that thing had no roof. It had the walls, it had the chimney, it had everything, dude. Like, that was cool. That was really cool. I thought that was A+, man. A+ for that. And then we went down that big sewer. I'll decide whether I want to put that in the video or not. We'll see. That sewer was cool too. I went under a highway, which I'm sitting right next to, and it took me out the other side, and I was able to climb up some manhole ladders and all that. I thought that was really cool. That journey today was awesome, man. I filmed this video in like 4 different locations, man. It wasn't just the Ironton Trail, man. I had nothing on that trail, but that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you today, man. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, feel free to click the thumbs up. If you like the channel, feel free to subscribe. My name is STILLFIN, all caps, one word. Thank you for watching.